In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change my privacy settings on Facebook Marketplace. By the end, you will know how to control who can see your marketplace activity and your listings. First, open Facebook on your Android or iPhone. Make sure you are signed in to the account you actually use for Marketplace. A quick way to confirm is to check that your usual profile photo appears in the top bar and that your home feed looks familiar. Once Facebook is open, tap the menu button. On most phones, this looks like 3 horizontal lines near the top or bottom of the screen. When you tap it, you should see a full screen of options with things like your profile, friends, and shortcuts to features such as Marketplace and Groups. From there, tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. This opens the main control center for your account. You will know you are in the right place if you see different sections for Account, Security, and Privacy, listed one below the other. Beginners often miss that Settings and Privacy is a 2-step tap, so make sure you do both taps. Now go to Audience and Visibility. This section holds most of the controls that affect how people see you on Facebook, which also affects how you show up on Marketplace. When you open it, you should see a list of topics, each one leading to more detailed options. Start by reviewing profile details. Here you control which parts of your personal profile are public, for friends only, or just for you. For example, you can limit who sees your hometown or your workplace, which can matter when someone opens your Marketplace seller profile to check who they are dealing with. Next, check how people find and contact you. These options decide who can send you friend requests and who can look you up by phone number or email. Tightening these settings can reduce random contact after you list items on Marketplace because some buyers try to add you directly as a friend. After that, look at posts. This decides who can see new posts you share on your timeline. While Marketplace listings are separate, people reach through Marketplace can sometimes click to view your profile posts, so choosing friends or more limited audiences here keeps your general activity more controlled. Then open Followers and Public Content. This controls who can follow your public updates and who can comment on them. If you switch followers to friends only, people who see you through Marketplace will have less ability to follow your non-Marketplace activity. Next up, review profile and tagging. This area decides who can see posts you are tagged in on your profile. Since buyers sometimes tag sellers in posts or reviews, choosing stricter options here can prevent unexpected Marketplace-related tags from being widely visible. Finally, in this section, open blocking. Here you can block specific people who you do not want to contact you or see your Facebook activity, including through Marketplace. Once someone is blocked, they cannot message you or view your listings when logged into their account. With your general privacy tuned, open Facebook, then open Marketplace. You should see the familiar Marketplace home, with categories like vehicles, homes, and local listings near the top, confirming you are in the right place. Now open your listings. This section shows every item you have for sale or have sold. It is useful to scroll through and mentally note which items you might want to hide from friends, such as gifts or personal items. Select the listing you want to adjust. When it opens, you should see the title, photos, price, and description for that item. This screen is where you control visibility for that specific listing without affecting your other posts. Look for the option called Hide from Friends. It usually appears among the listing settings near the audience or privacy-related controls. Take your time to scroll if needed, since this label can be easy to miss on a busy screen. Turn Hide from Friends on. Once you do this, your Facebook friends should no longer see that listing directly on Marketplace as being from you. A subtle but useful detail is that this setting applies to this single listing only, so other items stay unchanged. Keep in mind that Hide from Friends does not make a listing completely private. Facebook explains that the listing can still be visible to people who are not logged in, may still appear in search engine results, and might be seen by friends of your friends. Understanding this helps you avoid sharing sensitive photos or information in any listing, even if you have hidden it from friends. So now you have adjusted your main Facebook privacy controls and learned how to hide individual Marketplace listings from friends when needed. If this helped you feel more in control of what buyers see, please give the video a quick thumbs up and consider subscribing for more simple Facebook walkthroughs like this.